Hi, my name is Derya Baran. I'm an associate professor of material science and engineering at King Abdullah University of Science and Technology in Saudi Arabia. My research lies at the intersection of organic and hybrid semiconductors, with a focus on energy capture and conversion. Together with my team at Omega Lab, we explore how molecular design, device engineering, and processing can advance technologies such as photovoltaics, thermoelectrics, and printed electronics. We aim to contribute to solutions that are not only efficient, but also stable, sustainable, and scalable. What excites me most is the opportunity for discovery, I would say. Organic and hybrid semiconductors still hold many unanswered questions about how molecular structure connects to device performance and stability. So every time we uncover either a new mechanism or design principle, whether it's improving efficiency or giving new functions like stretchability, or discovering applications in the areas we hadn't imagined before, such as neuromorphics. So the constant sense of discovery is what keeps me motivated. Well, one of the biggest challenges is balancing the drive for performance with the demand for stability and scalability, I would say. It is relatively straightforward to show exciting efficiencies in the lab often, but ensuring that materials and devices remain stable under realistic conditions while still being manufacturable at scale is much harder. Another challenge is the interdisciplinary nature of our work. It requires chemists, physicists, and engineers to collaborate closely, which is demanding, but it's also rewarding. Looking ahead, my group is focusing on two directions at the moment. First, advancing the stability and durability of organic and perovskite solar technologies to accelerate their path to scale up. And the second one is extending our concepts to new frontiers such as photoelectrochemical systems and energy-efficient materials for climate-resilient infrastructure. And beyond research, I am committed to mentoring the next generation of scientists and bridging the gap between innovators and decision makers to accelerate technology adoption. Winning the EES lectureship is a tremendous honor to me. Energy and Environmental Science has always been a flagship journal for our community. And to be recognized by peers through this award is both humbling and motivating. For me, it's also a recognition of the collective efforts of my group members Omega Lab and collaborators who make this journey possible. So thank you. My experience with EES has been extremely positive so far. It's a journal that sets the highest standards, not only in the scientific quality, but also in its commitment to interdisciplinary impact and global sustainability challenges. The Royal Society of Chemistry plays also a vital role in fostering this community. I am grateful to be part of this community and to contribute to it through research, publications, and mentoring.